In conclusion to my comparison of all three versions of the V911, the Flybarless model, the V911 Pro, and the V911 version 1, I'd have to pick the winner of this flight comparison, the V911 Pro. It has plenty of power. It's very easy to fly. You can fly it aggressively in the wind and in the breeze. And this one, these V911 Pro and the V911 version 1, they have a few upgrades on it. They have the flybar paddles on the flybar. They have the upgraded Delrin gear from Xtreme RC. And they also have what they call the fisheye swash plate. And it basically is just a brass ball with a hole in the middle that the main shaft goes through, and it eliminates the slop in the rotor head. And also these have carbon fiber main shafts for the rotor head. And as far as what comes in second place, I choose the V911S. It's flybarless. It uses what they call a 6G flight control board, which essentially is 3 gyros and 3 accelerometers, which eliminates the need for a flybar. This helicopter out of all three V911s is the most powerful. And it's also the best to fly in wind and slight breezes, but it does tend to slide around a little bit, and when you let off the stick, so you really have to know how to fly when you fly one of these. But it's still very easy to fly. It's very easy for a beginner to pick up. Not quite as easy as the Pro or the version 1. And then what comes in last place out of this comparison is the original V911 version 1. And like I said, this shares the same upgrades that I did to the V911 Pro: the flybar paddle, the fisheye swash plate, the carbon fiber main shaft, and the Delrin main gear from Xtreme RC. And this one lacks a little bit of power. This helicopter I've probably had for about 7 to 8 years, and it's still on the original motors, so it might just be getting tired. Maybe that's why the power isn't as much as the Pro model. And oh yeah, I also forgot, this one also has upgraded landing gears. This is not the stock landing gear set on here. I don't know if you can get this landing gear anymore, but it doesn't fly as authoritative in the wind as the Pro model does. I guess there's a difference in the servos and the flight controller. But overall, it's actually a very good looking helicopter. This is probably the best one to fly indoors because it's so easy to fly, and it's very a soft flying helicopter. Now let me just set it up so it looks pretty. And like I said, the V911 Pro takes the cake. Thanks for watching my video. Please thumbs up and subscribe for more RC videos in the future. And I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.